First of all, I think that the way we played and the performance on Friday, I was very satisfied about it. As I said already in the past, our AFCON in December was not that good for different reasons. So I wanted to install a little bit the mentality and the discipline in the team, and I think we succeeded when we saw the game of past Friday. I was happy with the performance. I was also happy with the mentality. I was happy with discipline. I was happy with everything except a few things in the game. So we had a debriefing this morning, and players knows most of the thing, the majority was good, but there were a few details that we have to try to do better. At the other side, I was also very happy with the crowd on Friday, because that was for me also a little question mark, because the reactions after were not so positive, and it was normal that they were not positive. But yeah, the South African people were again there in the stadium, and when I can believe what they told me, it will be a full house tomorrow. So that means that people are still believing in that team that gave them the past 2-3 years so fantastic performances, and that they are still behind us. And again, we will need them tomorrow. But also from our side, we are ready to give them a nice evening, and that's what we are going to try tomorrow.